Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Welcome to another Monday. Indexes were struggling today. Let's do a quick index check. It's still pretty early in the day when I'm recording this, but I need to get back to writing. I have a deadline to my publisher by the end of the month, so that's mostly what I'm focused on for the rest of December. All right, this is the Dow and pure doji, but still looking strong. We're still way above all of this stuff, the daily cloud, the parabolic SAR, the turning line and the standard line. So like we're looking solid. Not so much of a range today. We'll see how it plays out through the rest of the day, but that's still looking pretty good. Whole lot of wick on that thing, which can be difficult to trade. I would say the Nasdaq and the S&P this morning looked a little bit easier. Let's take a look at the Russell first because this is going to be relatively similar. Bounced up off of that turning line, so we'll see if that can hold at 25.65. If it doesn't, we're going to come down here and test this level of support around 25.39. And if that still doesn't hold, we'd be working our way down toward the cloud. We'd also kick out that parabolic SAR to the high side. Now let's take a look at the Nasdaq. And as you know, last week, this one fell deep into the daily cloud. And today we're just trying to struggle to get out of it. You can see we bounced up all the way to the top of the cloud, but couldn't actually break out of the top. And now we're, looking like we might have a little more downward direction. If that is the case, first destination is going to be around 25,146. That is the standard line from the Ichimoku cloud. Following that, we'll have the bottom of the cloud around 257.7. And as for the S&P total doji right now on the day, you can see that we just came down to that parabolic SAR. We are between the turning line and the standard line right now. So we'll have to kind of wait and see what happens. Is it going to be able to break out of this around 69.26, or is it going to come down into the cloud and go through that parabolic SAR, flipping it to the top, potentially indicating more downward direction? As for the range, we're getting there. Like I said, it's early in the day, so a lot can happen in the hours ahead. One thing to note, you might want to roll over into the March contracts. I did that this morning. And as a reminder, this 90% off sale at Apex does end tomorrow night. So today and tomorrow will be your last chance for this crazy, crazy price of just $19.60. So no matter what account size you choose, it's going to be less than 20 bucks, which is awesome. Enter the coupon code at the checkout to unlock the discount. That coupon code is down below for you. I really do appreciate when you use my code. It helps me out a ton. So thank you for that. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.